is my song for Liza. So what went wrong? You, so real, ooh, ideal. You made the single life, unmingled life, unwise. But where was I? And where were the butterflies? Did I feel the butterflies? Where were the butterflies? In our first kiss, listen, I can't believe my heart right now. Let's christen our landing with some more red wine. Permission to say this weather's one good sign that you could be mine. And I'll find the butterflies. Where were the butterflies? Did I feel the butterflies? Where were they? Find my bed. I'm sorry for the hesitation. I've had the perfect date in every way, and might I add, felt like an epic sky ballet. Yay! And not to delay, but the moment we finally kissed, I was kind of in my head. Try to live in the present, but lately the present's elusive. Now the first kiss is past and the future is present instead. But that wasn't my fault, had the hiccups, that was all this I call good news. I sing a note, sing a melody, welling me up to a bell that swells to a beautiful resolve. And I look and I'm shook, she's right there with me, and suddenly I break the spell. And it feels so nice being in the moment, being in the zone, and back on my feet. I'm back at home, and I'm finally feeling complete. As Shiloh and light, I found the butterflies. I feel the butterflies thick in the air. They're here, they're fluttering through every cell. They're shared here, buzzing through our tangled legs. And where is fear when all we are is kisses and sex? Ooh, good night. I am the worst, cause I'm gonna burst, cause I am never having the first time with lies. No more tries, not with lies, 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 not with lies. Sometimes